Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm making a custom spread for Jenny, who's one of my patrons over on Patreon. Jenny, thank you for being a patron again this month. She let me choose the theme of this spread. So I got Planning a Life I Love from KellofaPlan, and I'm going to do a horizontal spread for her. And I I love these kind of books because it's all planning stuff. But I love this page right here. There's boxes. I like this page too. There's actually a couple pages I can combine. So yeah, I'm going to use this book to create a spread for Jenny. Alright, so let me pull out. I think I'm just going to pull the page out because I feel like I'm going to use most of these. And I need these boxes. I love the grays in this one. Pinks, really pretty. I'm gonna have to pull in some other books too. Okay, just grabbing all the boxes. All right. I really love this little book, cubed bookcase, because I have one similar to this. Actually, I have a white version of this one. They're so good. I have a couple. I have one that's like 3 by 3. So this one's gonna go here. It's got like a little Cricut and planner stuff. Oh, you know what? Let me stick some washi down because I have perfect washi. I think I do at least. Yeah. Got this cute striped one from Live Love Posh. Cut this off. I love that washi. I need to get some more of that. How pretty is that? Okay. I can't remember. Oh, she does. Okay, perfect. So she has quotes. So just gonna pull. Trying to get my tweezers. Okay. Planning a Life I Love. Love it. Alright, I think I want to put some like boxes around here. So I'm going to do this one. Let's do a gray one. Stick some books. Cute. All right. I want to do another box. Actually, I want this. Let's do the flowers. Okay, that's better. Oh my gosh, I just noticed this little ring light with the camera. It's funny. Okay. This bigger box over here. Crooked. I want to layer this piece. I love this piece right here. I want something like this. If I didn't live in an apartment, like we could put stuff up on the walls, but I don't want to put up too many holes on the walls, so I try to limit like what I put up, but I would totally like put something like that up in my place. Okay, I need that bright pink over here. So I'm gonna go back in here, grab some of that pink. Let's do it with gray box. Okay, so what can I put over here? Oh, the typewriter is cute. I'm gonna cut the white off a little bit. That's cute. Don't want to forget about putting this washi down, because I've been forgetting sometimes to do that. I think I want to put it going through here. Okay, actually I'm trying not to waste this too. I have a bad habit of doing that, especially for rolls that I am almost done with. It's just easier to rip it the other way. Okay, cool. So on this side, I think I want to do it different. I was on like a top and bottom kick for a bit, but now I'm like, I want it like scattered. Go through phases with the washi. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so this one's gonna go on the top. Cool. Pretty. All right, I really want to put this down. So okay. Let's see. Okay, I think this pink box. Just gonna stick it here. I'm gonna scatter some of these boxes around too. And I got bullet points. Okay. I need gray on this side, so I'm gonna put a gray box here. I feel like I need more pink. And maybe not this one. Okay. All right, let's see if I could put anything on top of these. Too much there, too much. Okay. Maybe something small. It's too small. Okay, so there's another page of, these aren't like coordinating with them, but they kind of coordinate. Or I have these. Those are super bright. Decisions. I might just have to pull in another book, to be honest. Okay. yeah, I'm gonna pull in another book, but first I'm gonna go through here and pull out another quote. I like this one. This is, "She planned a life she loved." It's cute. Okay, yeah, let me go grab another book. Okay, I got the rainbow sticker book because I have pink. I think there's black in here too. Oh, there's gray. This can work. Okay, so I want like headers and stuff. So I think this is going to work. Oh, I thought this was 2 pieces. Okay, never mind. Hold on. It's too big. Okay, let me see. Pink section. Okay, this is a nice pink. Okay. It says, "Let your ideas bloom." I like these headers. I believe she uses this for journaling, so I'm just going to use like non-functional kind of headers. Like remember is a good one. And then I can do gray. This one says today. Yeah, I like that. Okay. I like these little boxes. This one says keep going. Oh, I wish it was a different pink. Yeah. It's cute, but I need it in a different color. It's black. I wish these were paper, but they're not. I like this one. It says, "Be you bravely." Cute. Okay, I'm gonna add in some, bullet points. Some bullet points here. I can add in, need some more of this pink. And then I can do maybe black. Be good. Cute, cute, cute. All right, let me find, where's my other books? I have some other like books I like to grab. But they're not near me. Where did I put them? Oh, jeez. I don't know where things are. Okay, I can't find them. I'm a little disorganized right now since I haven't been feeling well, but you know, trying to get back in the swing of things. I like this camera. I think it's funny. I kind of want to add this little, the pens. Little pencil cup. Why does it look crooked? Oh, because I cut it crooked. Duh. Okay. Cute. I think this is gonna be it. It's really pretty. Love it. All right, so that is gonna be my spread for Jenny. Jenny, I hope you like your spread. I love a good black and pink spread, and I'm loving the touch of gray in there. I think that's super cute. So loving this color combo, but that's Planning a Life I love. I'll have that linked down in the description. A really pretty sticker book, especially for all of us planners. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you wanna see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.